planet from the sun and the only planet we know that supports life. It's almost pure. Look at my illustration. The earth here shapes circle. We need to take care of our environment in a wise way to save the world for the next generation. If we didn't take care of it, we may encounter many problems. Just like today, some roads are flooding now and it affects so much in every community. And we need to start resolving it, even in a simple actions. I have here some ideas that will help save the earth. Protect our trees. We need to plant more trees in our backyards, especially in some mountains to avoid landslide. Protect our water. We need to conserve water and do not waste it. And when we are in the river or beach, we need to keep it clean. Save energy. I put here an example of a bicycle because using it, you don't need some gasoline or electricity, and at the same time, it makes our body healthy. Eco-friendly. Separate these stuffs. If we have some empty plastic bottle, we can reuse it instead of throwing it. We use eco bags instead of plastics bag. And that's it. There's a lot of ways to save the earth, and it starts within you. Thank you.